In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at puzzle number 8 from Advent of Code 2023 called Haunted Wasteland. Before viewing this video, we encourage you to try solving the problem independently. Let's take a look at the problem description. The gist of it is that you are meant to use the left-right instructions to navigate a network from node AAA to the node ZZZ. First, we read the list of instructions, skip the next empty line, and then read the map of the network line by line. We start at the node AAA and follow the map step by step until we reach the node ZZZ. If we run out of left-right instructions, we repeat the whole sequence of instructions as necessary. We simply output the number of steps when we reach the end node. In the second part, we are told there are many starting nodes, the nodes ending with an A, and many ending nodes, the nodes ending with Z. We must simultaneously navigate through the network from starting nodes until all of the nodes we are currently on end with Z. Simulating the whole process is unfeasible. We must come up with a better approach. We find the number of steps to reach the end node for each starting node, and then calculate the least common multiple of those numbers. That is our result. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.